Okay, to remove the belt and be able to change it, you need to take this piece off, which has got 5 14mm bolts. So they look fairly tight, so I'm using 1/2 inch drive for this. So I've got a deep socket for that one, 14mm, and then the other 4 I can use a short one. Okay, you don't need to take this piece off in order to change the belt, so that can be left in situ. All I'm going to do is take these bolts out and then slide it off with the belt. But before you can do that, there's these 2 kind of plates that hold the brake lines that have to be undone first. So there's 2 10mm bolts there, 2 10mm captive nuts here. There's one just on that side and one just there. So Yamaha recommend you undo that one, these 2 and these 2 in order to be able to lift that plate up out of the way. You can do it just by undoing these 2 and sort of, you can lift it up to get enough room really, but I might as well do it properly this once. So that's those two out of the way, and then you can see that you've got a bit of play here, so you can actually withdraw it while leaving that in place. These 3 are all short, the same length, and then these 2 are long, and they have a spacer bar the other side of this bracket. So that's a long bolt, and it has this spacer bar which goes the other side of the bracket, and it's relatively corroded already, so probably worth undoing every now and again, even if you don't intend to change your belt. Maybe put a little bit of lubricant on there, not too much, but enough so that it doesn't seize. The top one's the same, with 1 spacer. And now I can give that a wiggle and it can slide off. So you're lifting the brake pipe brackets up out of the way while you wiggle that and slide it towards you with the belt, and it should come off as one unit. There we go. So I've taken the drive pulley component off, and then I could change my belt if I was going to. Put the new belt on, marry it up to the drive pulley, maybe just hold it round, and then you will be able to relocate that back on with the new belt, like so, and put your bolts back together. Make sure the spacer is above the belt, and then that would be ready for you to put your back wheel back in. I'm going to clean mine up because it looks a bit looks a bit like water's been getting in there, which I guess it does, so it's kind of looking a bit brown and mucky.